Welcome, architecture enthusiasts. My name is Michael Abramopoulos and this is tutorial 9. In this one we'll be looking at QGIS and its variety of different mapping qualities in which we can use this program to plot a whole range of different information for presentations and other different options alike. So let's get stuck into it, shall we? So we can begin by installing the QGIS program. What you want to do is you can quickly search in Google QGIS and it'll come up and you can be directed to this website. You can go straight to download and you can download one of the options here, a long-term version or the latest version, and then also an installer that helps you keep your program up to date. So easily you can just download it here and then install it as you would any other program. Very nice and simple. Once you've done this, you can open up QGIS. So it's a very good tool in this program to use for some visualization of maps and that sort of thing. So I'll showcase that now. As you can see here under this X, Y, Z tiles, we have a standard OpenStreetMap, which you can drag in, which brings in an interactive map, which is standard within the program. So this can be used, obviously, if we zoom in on Australia and Melbourne. I might just use Footscray as an example again. So where's Footscray? Just in here. You can use this as an interactive map and use it for a bunch of different visualization needs that you might be doing in your studies or in work or whatever else you may need it for. But this is just a sort of standard image here, and we can bring in some different styles to showcase different information or data through the use of some plugins. So the easiest way to install a plugin is just to go up to the tab here, plugins, and manage and install plugins. Click on that and it brings up a list of different plugins you can use. There's heaps of different plugins to use for a whole bunch of different reasons, but we're just focusing on the mapping sort of point of it. So like I just had up, we can search up a couple of different ones. If we search up Quick Maps, you can install, if you click on the one here, Quick Map Services, which is a plugin that I'll be showing today, and you'll have a install plugin option here. It'll only take a couple of seconds to install it. Map Tiler is another one you can use, and then another one is HCM. So this one, HCM GIS, this is another one that I can showcase as well today. So you can install that, it'll be really quick. And I'll showcase first. So with the quick mappers, we have our toolbar here, and we can search the OEM, bring up the search bar for the QMS. So I've got some different ones in here that I've used previously. So easily you can just search like satellite. Make sure my spelling's right. Wait for him to come up. And they'll come up here. So you've got a range of different ones that you can add into your program. So say if I add the Google satellite image, that brings in over to my layers tab. So if I now turn the original OpenStreetMap off, then I have a Google satellite hybrid. So now I have this. This is still an interactive map using different data, and you can have it in a style like this, which is a bit different. So that's a way that you can search in here. What I can do is, even if I add a different one in, I can turn this off now, and this will just have standard satellite imaging. So if you want something that's a bit more clean and just showing the natural area, you can use that. So a different one that also I'll show is the HCM GIS, which you install and it comes up in this tab here. So you have some base maps that you can use here. Similar Google Maps in here. You can do like a Carto Dark here, which might be a bit more of a line work design. So that's a different option as well that you can use. Or we can have a look at some other ones. I think this, the 4D map. This one looks very nice. So we can use this. And from here we can use this map to plot a lot of different data. You can easily turn all these off. And once these are in here, you can change them between the two. So if you plot your data, you can change them between. And yeah, thank you very much.